When you invest in really good quality knives like these ones, you need to keep them sharp. So I want to talk you through the 3 ways I like to keep my knives sharp. First of all, with a wet stone. Now you can see that I'm just soaking it in some water. You want to soak this for about 10 minutes. And then this one's quite nifty because it comes with a holder. You place the stone into the holder, and I always like to keep a grip underneath it so it stays in place. Now to sharpen a cook's knife, for example, you need to just go back and forth on the wet stone. Now you want this to be at 15 degrees, but if you want 100% surety, then grab yourself one of these guards. It simply goes straight onto the knife like so, and then you can go back and forth, getting that perfect 15-degree angle. And then the most common sharpener, which is the steel, and this is the one that I use most often to quickly sharpen my knives on the go. You can see that there's a guard here and that protects your hands. And again, we want to keep the knife at a 15-degree angle, and I like to do this from the top of the steel. So we just go back and forth like so. And again, it just takes practice. You only need to do this a few times just to quickly sharpen your knife. And then finally, this is the one that I highly recommend for beginners. This is the pull-through water ceramic sharpener. You'll notice that there's a compartment in here that has 2 wheels, one white and a pink. And in here, we need to add some water. The water is going to prevent the sharpening wheels from overheating. So we'll place this guard back on, and then we can start sharpening. Now you want to keep this at a 90-degree angle. So we'll just place this in our hands. We're going to start with the white blade, and with a firm and even pressure, you just want the knife to go back and forth. And you want to do this about 6 or 7 times. And again, a 90-degree angle in the pink sharpener, and we just want to go back and forth about 6 or 7 times too. So that's how you sharpen your knives, and the sharper the knife is, the easier it is going to be for your cooking. It's also safer.